Well, hey there, girlfriend. Wanted to give you a quick 4th of July look that you could do for this up and coming 4th of July. It's right around the corner. First thing I want to do is start off with my brow pencil. I am filling in my brows, starting off at the top to give it a nice shape, and then going all the way over to the end of my eyebrow. I want to make sure that it's, as you can see, small, concise strokes to fill in the eyebrow so it can look natural, of course. And the color that I'm using is actually dark brunette. I find that color is really the best color for me because it really makes it look like it is my eyes after I'm filling it in. So we've done that really quickly. The next thing that I am going to move on to is the brow tint. And I always make sure that when I do the brow tint that I am doing it in an upward motion. Want to brush it up and then brush it across to fill in the brow. Again, making sure that it is natural because I definitely want a natural looking brow, and that's why I love the dark brunette brow tint as well. So it's the same color as the liner, but it works really well for me and it looks really like it's authentically me. But as you can see, I'm filling it in, girl. I have no problem sharing that with you. Now, the next thing that I'm going to apply is some cream to powder bronze 2, and I use this as a concealer. It is actually a foundation. It's a little bit lighter than my complexion, as you can see. And I like to apply my concealer before I put on my actual foundation. Now you can see that I'm putting this under my eyes. I make it a point to do that because I'm a little dark under my eyes, and then my lids are dark as well. So I put the foundation under my eyes as well as on my lids, and just really blend that in before I apply my eyeshadow. So I'm going to do that on this side, and then I'm going to go over and do it on the other side as well. And I am using a cream brush to apply this. It can be used for your concealer as well. And then if you like, you can also use it for your lip, but you wouldn't use the same brush for all of it.
We don't do that here.
So if you're going to use it for your concealer, you have one concealer brush. And then if you want to apply a lips color with it, you can also have a lip color brush. So as you can see, I'm blending all of that in and just making sure that I'm just kind of concealing all of my imperfections. I like to do this before my foundation so it goes on really smooth. And then after that, I will apply my foundation. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm not going to actually apply my foundation now. I am going to move on and actually apply the eye color. And because this is a 4th of July makeup look, we are going to use a liquid eye color, and it is called Light Beam. And this is the white part of my actual red, white, and blue look. So I'm putting this on, just kind of dabbing it on my lid, and then I'm going to use my fingertip to actually blend it. Just nicely blending it in. As you can see, it comes out with a very potent color. It is waterproof, and it's really a dash out the door look. It's a great one and done look, but I don't want to leave it like that. So I want to add a little bit of depth to it.
That was easy.
So what I'm going to do is continue to blend. And after I finish blending and making sure it's exactly the way that I would like it to be, I'm then going to add another eye color to it. And the eye color that I love to add just to give my eyes some depth is the espresso. And I'm using an angled brush to apply this in my crease. I'm going to use windshield wiper motions to make sure that it's blended in really well. And this is really to give my eyes some depth as a result of not just putting on one color. In some cases, I sometimes just wear one color, but I just felt like I wanted to add a little depth today. And especially being that it's so hot outside, depending on where you live in the country, I wanted just to give you a quick dash out the door kind of look so that you can add your own little flavor of the red, white, and blue. So this is the white part of the actual look for me. I can't go too white because with my brown skin, it really doesn't look good. And I really like this light beam because it has a gold tint to it, which really accentuates all of my God-given positives and look really good on my brown skin. So next I'm just combing through my eyelashes, and then I'm going to apply my favorite mascara, which is the Panorama mascara. What this is going to do is going to bring out my wimpy short lashes and really give accent to the actual look. Now, I like to apply my mascara on first before I apply my eyeliner. So I don't want you to think that I'm missing out on that part. But what we're doing here is I'm applying one coat of the Panorama mascara. I'm going to do that on both sides. As you see, I'm going from the base of my lash all the way to the tip. And then I am going to apply another mascara as well. I love to use the open your mouth technique.
Wow, incredible!
It really helps. I feel like I'm really able to get to every nick and cranny of my lashes when I do that. So I'm doing my second coat here, just kind of going through. And the great thing I love about this mascara, it has a really great tip that will allow you to get those wimpy lashes in between. So the next mascara that I'm going to apply is the waterproof. I always like to apply waterproof. This is going to help my mascara really last all day. And then with the sweat and humidity, I live in Mobile, Alabama. It's essential to have on waterproof mascara to make sure that your mascara lasts all day as well. So I'm getting those bottom lashes, just kind of brushing through the lashes at the bottom to really make sure that I get that. And that's another reason why I like to wear waterproof mascara, because if my eyes run for any reason, I know my mascara will stay there because it will be waterproof. Now we're going to go back to the foundation. I always like to apply my foundation after I have applied my eye color. And it's just so if I have any kind of mishaps when I'm applying my eyeshadow, I can make sure that I can just kind of brush it off or just dust it off really quick without having to reapply my foundation. So that is the method to the madness of me doing this. I'm using a blending brush to apply it, and I'm actually using a bronze 3. It's a cream to powder bronze 3 to apply the foundation on my face. I love the cream to powder, especially in the summertime, because it goes on as a cream and it dries as a powder. And for somebody that has oily skin, this is an ideal foundation for us because it's going to keep us matte pretty much all day. So now that I have done my eyes, I've put on my foundation, I am now going to add the blue aspect of the look to my eyes, and it's the blue eyeliner. I'm using a waterproof navy eyeliner that I absolutely love, and as you can see, it's really easy to go onto my eyes. Now, I don't go all the way from the inner part of my eye to all the way over to the outer part. I like to start somewhere in the middle, especially since this is a day look, to really give me that nice accent. You know, blues look great on brown eyes, so I love to wear navy eyeliner because it really makes my eyes pop. And last but definitely not least, girlfriend, we have the red stiletto lipstick to really give me that red aspect of our American flag. So now we have the look. We have done the white with the eyeshadow, we've done the blue with the eyeliner, and of course we add the red spice with the lipstick. And I had to put on my blue top just so you can see it all together. That's the liquid eyeliner. This is the actual color that I used in my crease. And then next thing that I want to show you is the blue eyeliner that I applied from the middle to the outer. And then of course the red stiletto. Had to top it off with that. So I really love the look. I hope you love the look too, and I'll be sure to have all of those products down in the description. So that was the before, and this is the after. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.